Welcome back, guys. This is Awesome Guy 15 here with a WWE figure pickup and my best friend
WWE guy.
We're here at his house. Let's get a look around in the back
porch. Pay-per-view. Oh shoot.
Okay, now we're here today. We got figure pickups. First is an old figure from like 2013. Zack Ryder.
Okay, let me just stop right.
A WWE card of Stone Cold Steve Austin. Okay, let's stop that. Now this is a very good one. It is the Heartbreak Kid Shawn Michaels sporting his attire from WrestleMania 20. WrestleMania 26. It's a very good figure. In the back, look at that. WrestleMania Heritage Series. Okay, that's good. Now, last thing, it's not a figure. It's not a card. It's not a game. It's not food. It is a DVD of WWE Payback 2015, and it has the Fatal 4-Way match of Randy Orton, Roman Reigns, Dean Ambrose, and Seth Rollins. Seth Rollins defending his world title against those other 3 men in a Fatal 4-Way match. And heads up, I'm not telling you who's winning, who won. You can watch for yourself. If you don't want to watch it, don't matter. Well, guys, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Peace out.